Hey everybody, it's Tanya Atomic. Today I'll be unboxing BoxyCharm for August. And for those of you who don't know, here's the little card. BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription. It's roughly, 20 something dollars a month, and you get all full-size products. Let's just dive right in. There's a IAM Definer Brow Pencil. Okay, cool. I am still working on a brow pencil, but this is a nice backup. It looks like it's very fine there. Then we have Hydra Glow Sleep Serum, triple action hyaluronic acid. Interesting. I will try that. Then we've got Clarins Velvet Lip Perfector. This is interesting. Oh, okay. So it looks like it's one of those, you push it up. And I'm hoping it's the color on here because I like that. Oh, then we have Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I've been wanting to try this. I have the Born This Way I have the Born This Way concealer. So I have been trying this. I like it. It's a little too thick for my under eyes, but I can use it in other ways, and I can sheer it out for the under eyes as well. The very last thing in the box is Violet Voss Essentials 2, which is an eyeshadow palette. It's always exciting to get eyeshadow palettes in BoxyCharm. Here's what it looks like. Ooh, these are super pretty colors. Let me know if you want me to try this in the comments below, because I think this is super beautiful. Yeah, let me know if you want to try this or anything else or any other, do you get BoxyCharm? What do you think of BoxyCharm? Did you get different things? Let me know in the comments below. That is it for this video today. Thanks for watching.